What if distance had no direction? Today, we explore the absolute value function, x, capturing the spirit of pure distance, regardless of positive or negative. Distances to the right or left of the fold represent absolute values. They don't care which way you went, just how far. Draw a V-shaped line with its point at the origin. The left leg represents negative values, the right leg positive. Color the left leg red, the right leg green. These colors reflect the positive and negative signs swallowed by the absolute value. As x moves right, positive values, the green line rises, showing increasing distance. As x moves left, negative values, the red line descends, mirroring the distance. Notice the absolute value never goes below 0. Why? Because distance can't be negative. Even going left from the origin still has a non-negative distance. The steepness of the lines tells a story. As x moves further from 0, the distance grows faster, hence the steeper slope. This function has real-world applications. Signal processing uses it to analyze sound waves, GPS calculates distance traveled regardless of direction, and engineers rely on it in various magnitude calculations. Conclusion: the absolute value function, though simple, holds hidden beauty and practical uses. Remember, it captures the essence of distance, unfazed by direction, forever reminding us that even negative experiences can hold valuable lessons. Thank you for exploring this mathematical gem with me. Share your thoughts on the absolute value function in the comments below.